A very good day to all traders. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100 Academy Private Limited. So just right before we start, two short announcements. First up, this upcoming Wednesday at 6:08 p.m. Singapore time, we will be going through 12 currency pair analysis. And if you love to see how we run through it live, join us then on Facebook, www.facebook.com/forex100.org. Like it so you will receive the notification. Apart from that, on the 25th of April, which is a Thursday, we are doing a live session, rather a workshop, a 3 hours workshop coming up. So registration link is at the bottom. If you're in Singapore, pop by and you will learn something important. Alright, so back to our daily chart, our analysis on pound dollar. Pound dollar, we can see that it is a uptrend movement, and right now it go into a bit of consolidation. So for buyers, there is buying opportunity. So just before we hit the button on the 4-hour chart, there is a conflicting signal. It shows a selling opportunity, a downtrend. Even it is close to a descending triangle, shorting opportunity. Take note. Head down to 1-hour chart. This is what I have, consolidation. So very soon it may even have patterns or buy or sell zone. Back to daily chart, I'll share with you my analysis on the daily chart. There is a bullish shark pattern waiting to form up. Alright, so not sure if this will happen because it is quite some 700 pips away, 600-700 pips away. Down to the 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart, we can see there is a sideways consolidation. Market has break downwards, so it gives us a hint of a selling opportunity. So right now, my focus is on selling opportunity. Head down to 1-hour chart. This is what I have. Market has came down, retraced, created new low. I'm waiting for the equal distance retracement, which will bring me into this zone for a shorting opportunity. So that's all I have for you today. Remember, always plan your trade and trade your plan, and I will see you soon.